If you didn't notice, it's 2021 and we are about to level up. Hey Queens, it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys a super affordable and high quality Amazon headband wig that is human hair, and I'm also going to be talking to you guys about 5 tips and tricks to level up this year. Now y'all are already popping, of course, if you are one of my homegirls, but I'm going to be telling you guys step by step some ways that you can level up your life, okay? And these are some things that I've been working on, and when I tell you, I feel a lot better, I look a lot better, and my life is flourishing, and yours is about to flourish even more too. So let's get into it. Now, before we get started, I do want to let you know that this is no formula that I have created from myself, okay? These are things that I have researched and some things that I have been trying and I wanted to share with you guys. So instead of a plain old wig review, I want to switch it up with a girl talk video. So if you guys are feeling it, give this video a thumbs up. This wig is also from UNice Hair, so shout out to you, UNice. I do want to let you guys know I do like this unit. All the details are in the description. I will talk about them more in this video, but definitely click that link and pick you up this nice wig. So on to these 5 tips and tricks, girl. Now, like I said, this is nothing special, but we do need to talk about it. So the first thing I want to talk about is your health. Is your health in check, sis? And I don't mean like eating whatever you want, doing whatever you want, not going to the gym unless you want to take a cute picture. I'm talking about, are you working on you? Now, I'm not saying that you have to lose weight. I'm not saying that you have to gain weight. But what I am saying is that you need to be comfortable being you. And if you're not, let's do something about it. So yes, I'm going to use myself for an example. I have really been trying to be conscious of my inward health, trying different products that work for me and really being aware when my body feels good and when it doesn't, and what I can do to change that has done so much for your girl. So that's number 1. Now, while I styled this beautiful wig up from UNice Hair, I'm going to give you number 2, and it's going to go in conjunction with your health. Work out on your level. Like I said, you guys, I've been getting my inward health together, but every time I was researching, I was seeing a lot of things like drastic changes to your health. Baby, that is not for me. I'm doing it on my level, what I'm comfortable with, and I feel like that's going to help me in the long run. Now, I ain't talking about nobody else, but I am talking about me. So let's head on to number 3. And one thing that is making me feel good is how beautiful this water wave wig is looking. But anyways, to number 3 and 4, you guys. 3 and 4 have to do with self-maintenance, y'all. I haven't taken the time to do those things to maintain myself, okay? I'm talking about getting your nails done. I'm talking about getting your hair done. Getting a facial, even if it's an at-home facial, girl. It has been doing so much for not only my inward self, but also just my self-esteem. And then number 4, get yourself a skincare routine, girl. I really slept on skincare routines, honey, but ever since I have gotten one, they have been lit, okay? My face feels good, and I actually look forward to washing my face. Like, it's crazy. But that's 3 and 4. So that means we only have 1 more left as I finish up styling my water wave unit from UNice Hair, girl. Isn't she looking so good? Let me tell y'all, this wig is literally so popping. I did not have any shedding or tangling. It actually smells good. That's really weird to say, but it actually smells good. That's one thing that really caught my attention. And I just love the way that it looks on me. I will definitely be keeping this one for myself and styling it more often for y'all. So make sure you pick yours up. But let's get into the last tip and trick. So step number 5, let's get it, y'all. First of all, focus on those things that you love about yourself and affirm. Do some self-affirmations. I am beautiful. I am blessed. I am loved. Period. I'm creative. I am smart. Girl, talk good about yourself to yourself, and you will really start to believe it, which you should believe it anyway, because all my homegirls are popping, like I said. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this girl talk video. Again, shout out to UNice Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending out me this unit, and I would love to review more because I love y'all hair, honey. So, queens, if you enjoyed this girl talk, again, give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, I will bring it back more. Talk to me in the comments. Answer that question of the day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye.